Hello 7th class. I hope you are all doing well. We will continue with yesterday's class. In yesterday's class we were doing decimals. We completed up to question number 4. Now we will move onwards. Question number 5 we have to write the decimal number in expanded form. We already discussed that how do we write decimals in expanded form. We just write this is ones tens place. Tens place means 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus this is your tenth place. Tenth place means 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 because it is 100 place. Okay. Similarly, second part 2.03. This is ones place 2 into 1 plus we always starts from leftmost digit. Okay. Now this is 10th place into 1 by 10. Then 100th place is this much. Similarly, we can do part 3 and part 4. Part 3 says that we have to write expanded form for this number. It will be equal to 2 into this is 100th place, then you have 10th place, then you have 1st place, then 10th place and then 100th place. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6 you have to write the place value. Okay. You just have to tell what is the place value of 2 in the given decimal numbers. First number is 2.56. So place value of 2 is it is ones. Okay. And second it is 21.37. Here it is on tens place. Okay. So place value of 2 is tens. Okay. And next one, third part 10.25. Okay. 25. This is on 10th place. Okay. So place value of 2 is 10th. Okay. Similarly, part 4 9.42. Here it is on 100th place. Place value of 2 will be 100. Okay. 100. Okay, and so on. Next is question number 7. Question number 7 says that Dinesh went from place A to B. This is your place A, this is B, this is D and C. Okay, Dinesh moved from place A to B and from where? Okay, Dinesh moved from here and then moved here. Okay, Dinesh. And Ayub went from A to D and then here. Okay. You are given the distances between A and B and B and C and between C and D and A and B. You have to find out who traveled more and by how much. Okay. First we will tell that Dinesh traveled how much. Okay. This Dinesh traveled 4. Okay. How much kilometers? 7.5 plus 12.7. Okay. We will add these two. 7.5, 12.7. It is 20.2. Then Ayub traveled 4. 9.3 प्लस 11.8, ठीक है, 9.3 प्लस 11.8. Put decimal below decimal. It is 11, 1, 11, 1, 21.1. ठीक है. Now which number is greater, 20.2 or 21.1? We will comparing 20.2 and 21.1. ठीक है. We'll start with leftmost digit, tens digit, both are same. Then we will move on to ones place. Ones place of 21.1 is greater than 20.2. It means so 20.2 is less than 21.1 by how much? It means you have to subtract smaller from bigger number. ठीक है. How much is difference? कितना है? You have to find out the difference. 21.1 minus 20.2, 9, 0. ठीक है. So 0.9 kilometers. This is your answer. Next question is question number 8. And question number 8, Shyama bought some apples and some bananas. Sarla also bought some apples, some oranges and bananas. We have to find out who bought more fruit. So we will calculate how much fruit Shyama bought and how much fruit Sarla bought. ठीक है. Shyama bought ठीक है 5 kg 300 grams apples. ठीक है. Plus 3 kg and 250 gram mangoes. ठीक है. Now we have our amount in 2 units, kilogram as well as in gram. So we will convert gram to kilogram. ठीक है. As 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kgs, so you can write that, you can use that conversion process. 300 grams will be equal to 300 by 1000, that is 0.300 kgs. ठीक है. So you can write this as 5.300 gram. Similarly for 250 grams, 250 grams will be equal to 250 by 1000, that is 0.250 kg. So it will be 3.250 kgs. ठीक है. Now we will add both of these. We will get this much of fruit. ठीक है. So Shyama bought this much of fruit. Now we will find out for Sarla. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges plus 4 kg 150 gram of bananas. ठीक है. Now using same conversion process, 800 grams will be equal to 800 by 1000 kilograms, that is 0.800 kgs. So this will be equal to 4.800 kgs. Similarly 150 grams will be equal to 0.150 kgs. Okay, you use this here and you used this conversion here. Okay, 4.150 kgs. You added them up and you will get this much. Okay. Now who bought more? Okay. We will start with comparison. We will do comparison. 8.550 and we have 8. Here we got Shyama and here we have Sarla. 8.950. We will start with leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is ones place. Both are same. And we will move on to next place value, that is 5 and it is 9. Which one is greater? 9. It means this much is greater. It means we can say that Sarla bought more fruits. Alright. Now we will move on to question number 9. In question number 9 we have to tell how much less is 28 km from 42. It means we have to subtract 28 from this much amount. We have to subtract 28 km from 42.6 km. You will write 42.6. Then you will write place value below, place value. This is ones, this is ones. So you will write 2 here, 8 here, 2 here, and there is nothing. It means there is 0. Okay, 6. Now we have to subtract 6 minus 0, 6. It is 12 minus 8. We have 4, and 3 minus 1, 14. So this is our answer. Now exercise 2.6, multiplication of decimal number. We have already done the concept how to do the multiplication. We will start with exercise only. 2.6 exercise. Question number 1. We will do 2 parts, 5th and 6th. Okay, 5th part is, and here I will do 6th part. Okay. 5th part is 0.05 into 7, and 6th part is 211.02 into 4. Okay. As we discussed earlier, what we will do, we will convert this decimal into fraction. So it is 5 divided by 2 zeros after 1, it means 100 into 7. Okay. Now we will multiply this whole number with numerator. 5 into 7 divided by 100. It is 35 divided by 100. Now we will put the decimal. Decimal will come before 3.35. Okay. Again in 6th part we will convert this decimal into fraction part. We will remove the decimal, write 1 below that, and then add as many zeros as there are number after decimal into 4. Okay. Now the rules for multiplication of whole number with fraction. We will multiply whole number with the numerator part 21102 into 4 divided by denominator. It is 4 to the 8, 0, 4, 4, 8 divided by 100. Now we will put decimal again. We will leave as many numbers as there are zeros in the denominator. So we will leave these numbers and then put the decimal. 844.08. This is your answer. Okay. Now question number 2. You have to find the area whose length and breadth are given. Length is 5.7 and breadth is 3 centimeter. Write units also. Then area of rectangle will be, what is the formula for area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. It means we have to multiply 5.7 with 3 to get the area. First we will remove the decimal. It means we will put 1 below decimal and put as many zeros as there are numbers after decimal into 3. 57 into 3 divided by 10. We will multiply 57 by 3. 171 by 10. Then we will leave as many numbers as there are zeros. it means one number, then we will put decimal. So it will be 17.1 centimeter square. This is your answer. Question number 3 is again multiplication of decimals. I hope question number 2 is clear to all of you. Question number 3. 1.3 into 10. Okay. We will convert the decimal into fraction into 10. Here we can perform the cancellation. We can cancel out this one with this and we are left with 13. So our answer is 13. Okay. Part number B. Part number B is same 36.8 into 10. We will convert 36.8 to decimal. We will put as many zeros as there are number by after decimal. Then we can cancel this out and we get 368 as answer. We will do few more parts. Okay, we will do fourth part. Fourth part is 168.07 into 10. Okay. Convert this number into fraction. Here we will put 2 zeros after 1. Yes, cancel this 0 with this. We are left with 168.07 by 10. We will put decimal after one number. It means 168.0.7. This is your answer. Similarly, we can do more parts. Suppose we want to do 10th part. In 10th part, we have to perform multiplication of 0.9 with 100. Okay. Here same method, 9 by 10 into 100. Can cancel the 0 with this. 9 into 10, that is 90. Quite simple. Now we will move on to question number 4. Question number 4 says that a two-wheeler covers distance of this much in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? Okay. Question number 4. Okay. In 1 liter petrol, two-wheeler covers 55.3 kilometers. Okay. So in 10 liters of petrol, it will cover, because we are going from smaller to bigger, we will perform multiplication. 55.3 into 10 kilometers means we will convert it into fraction. This much, cancel out. 553 kilometers. In 10 liter, the two-wheeler will cover 553 kilometers. Last question of this exercise, question number 5. Question number 5, we have to find product of two decimal numbers, 2.5 into 0.3. Okay? This is different from question number 1 and 3 in the sense that in question number 1 and 3, we were provided with one decimal and one whole number. At least one of them was whole number. In this, both of them are decimals. For this case, we will try a different approach, just little different approach. We will remove the decimals. This much. Okay. Now we will perform multiplication of numerators, that is 25 into 3 and 10 into 10. Okay. 25 into 3 divided by 100. Okay. It will be 0.75. We could have cancelled 10 and 25 and we have got a number in fraction. But the problem with that approach will be we have to convert that fraction back into decimal again. Okay, so we won't cut this 10. We will leave them untouched and then we will perform multiplication with numerators only and then use these zeros for decimal purpose. Okay. Question now part 2, 0.1 into 51.7. Okay. Remove the decimals by 10. It is 517 divided by 10 into 10, 100. Put decimal again, 5.17. This is your answer. Okay? Easy. Now we'll do third part. In third part, we have 0.2 into 316.8, okay, which will be equal to 2 by 10. 3168 divided by 10. We will multiply 2 with 3168 and divide 10 into 10, 100. Okay. By 100, which will be equal to 63.36. I'll repeat again. Here, if you think of multiplication of fractions, you will remember that we perform cancellation if possible in our step 2. But here we will not cancel because we want our answer in decimals and these zeros will help us in putting decimals. So we will leave them untouched and we will perform multiplication with numerators only. Okay. We can do one more part. Suppose we want to do 9th part. Okay. All the parts are same. Method is also same. 9th part we have to do 101.01 into 0.01. It means first we will remove the decimal, divide by 100 into 1 by 100. Okay. 101, it was looking a bit different, but it is all the same method. So we will get 1.0101. So this is our answer. And with this we are done with exercise 2.6. We will move on to 2.7. In 2.7 we will perform division of decimals. Okay? Division of decimals. First question is exercise 2.7. We have already discussed one or two questions in our introduction class how to perform division with decimals. Still, we will go a bit slowly for first and second part. Suppose you want to do this one. Okay? First step will be we will remove the decimal. We will get this. Okay? Divide by 2. Then, as we used to do in fractions, we will convert that into multiplication with reciprocal. So it will be into multiplication and reciprocal of 2. That will be 4 by 10 into 1 by 2. Okay. 2 to the 4, which will be equal to 2 by 10, and we can write 2 by 10 as 0.2. Okay. Again, we will remove the decimal. We will convert divide into multiplication by converting 2 with reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2. We will cancel out 4 with 2. We get 2 by 10, which will be equal to 0.2. Next part is, B part is 0.35 divide 5. Okay? First step, remove the decimal, divide by 5. Second step, convert divide into multiplication with and 5 with reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal of 5 will be, it will be 1 by 5. Now we will perform cancellation. 5 7s are 35, 7 by 100. or you can write 0.07. This is your answer. Question number 2. We have to find out first part 4.8 divided by 10. Remove the decimal. 48 by 10 divided by 10 into reciprocal of 10. It will be 1 by 10. So 48 by 10 into 1 by 10. It will be equal to 48 by 100. We will convert it to decimal. It will be 0.48. This is your answer. Okay. We will do 2 more parts. We will do suppose fourth part. Fourth part we have 33.1 divided by 10. 33 by 10 divided by 10. It is 331 by 10 into reciprocal of 10, which will be equal to 331 by 10 into reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. 331 by 100. We will put the decimal. We will get 3.31. This will be our answer. Next part is 7th part. It says that you have to divide 3.97 by 10. Same method. Remove the decimal. Then convert, divide into multiplication by writing reciprocal of 10 in place of 10. 397, 100, 1 by 10 will be 397 by 1000, which will be equal to 0.397. Okay, this is your answer. Now question number 3. In question number 3, we will do 2 parts. Question number 3. First one is you have to divide 2 by 7 by 100. Same methodology. Into reciprocal of 100, which will be 1 by 100. So 27 and divided by 1 by 100, it will be equal to 27 and 1000. Here we have to put decimal before 3 numbers. Okay, before 3 numbers. Okay, here we will put decimal. Here we have 27. It means we have to put 0. So your answer will be 0.027. Okay. Next is second part. Second part where we have to divide 0.3 with 100. 3 by 10 divided by 100. 3 by 10 multiply with reciprocal of 100. It will be 3 by 10 into 1 by 100. 3 1 by 1000. We have to put decimal before 3 numbers. We will write 3 here, 0 and 0. Okay, this is your answer. Question number 4. Question number 4, we have to find all the division are approximately same, just we have to take into consideration little facts, like here 79 by 100 into reciprocal of 1000. I am skipping one step. It will be 79 by 100 into reciprocal of, so it is this 79 and here we get 10,000. Okay, it means we have to put decimal before 4 numbers. So decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we will write 79 here 0, 0. So this is your answer. Okay. We can do rest parts also. Now we will move on to question number 5. Question number 5 says that you have to perform again division, but in this we got a whole number and one decimal number. Okay, 7 divided by 3.5, so it will be 7 divided by 35 by 10. It means you have to multiply 7 with 7 multiply reciprocal of 35 by 10, and reciprocal of 35 by 10 will be 10 by 35. It will be 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. So we got 2 here. Okay. Here we got 7 into reciprocal of 35 by 10. Okay. Now second part, or instead third part. Okay. Second part is similar, very similar. So we will do third part. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Okay. 325 divided by 100 divided by 5 by 10. Okay. It means 325 by 100 multiplication reciprocal of 5 by 10. Reciprocal of 5 by 10 will be 10 by 5. 10 by 5. We perform the cancellation. Okay, we got 65 by 10, which will be equal to 6.5. If your statement question is in decimals, you have to give your answer in decimals only. Okay. We can do one more part, fourth part. After that, question number 6. Fourth part. In fourth part, we have to divide this by 7. We will convert both these numbers into fractions. Then next step, multiply, and we will write reciprocal of 7 by 10, 3094, 100 into 10 by 7. Okay. Okay. 442 by 100, 10 sorry, and it will be equal to 44.2. Next is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 in question number 6 in 2.4 liters. Okay, in 2.4 liters of petrol, vehicle covers how much distance? 43.2 kilometers. Okay, you have to tell how much distance will it cover in 1 liter. Okay, in 1 liter we have to find out. Okay, 1 liter. Okay, because we are going from bigger to smaller number, it means we will perform division here of petrol. Vehicle will cover 43.2 divided by 2.4. Okay, this much kilometers. Okay, we will perform the division now. 43, we will remove the decimals first. 24 by 10, 42 into we will write decimal of this. 10 by 24, we will cancel out this. then 6, we will cancel with 4, 8, then again we can cancel with 6, so we got 18 kilometers. With this, we have completed our chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. In next video class, we will start with chapter number 3, that is data handling. Okay, have a good day.